Hey guys, it's Cam over at Derale. Today we're going to be talking about our 10,000 series stack plate coolers. They're available for any fluid on the market. So you can do engine oil, ATF, power steering. You can do fuel if you'd like. Pretty much anything you need to cool down, these coolers are going to be more than sufficient. Our series starts at the 10 row 20,000 BTU. We have a 16 row 32,000, a 19 row 37,000, a 25 row 46,000, our 34 row 59,000, and lastly our 40 row at 67,000 BTU. And you'll notice they all have either straight fittings or a 90-degree swivel fitting, so you can set it up for whatever application and spacing that you need. The stack plate cooler, we have about a 2-inch thick core on it, and each one of the lines that you see running across here is one of the plates that's going to be carrying the fluid. Because the plate is so wide but thin, we're getting optimal surface volume to extract the heat out of the fluid. But also the beauty of these coolers is because they are so wide and open, they flow with zero measurable pressure drop. So you're getting the maximum heat rejection while also not impacting the system and restricting it in any way. With these coolers having a -10 ORB port or a 7/8 by 14 opening, you can also put anything from a -6 up to a -12 fitting into the cooler. With this wide variety that we have, you can tell they're all the same width, but for exact dimensions, feel free to look on our website. We have dimensional diagrams and exact dimensions listed for you to reference and find out exactly what's going to work in your application.